Hello lovelies, you are made of energy and your body is a lot like a battery because you have polarities like a battery. Your feet or your root chakra, that's your positive charge. Your crown chakra is your negative charge. We connect with the sun and the earth this way. The sun is a positive charge connecting with our negative crown chakra charge. The earth is a negative charge connecting with our positive charge through our feet. And when your polarities are reversed, that can't happen. And polarities get reversed when we're sick, or we've been through a trauma, or we're just really tired. That way our energy runs backwards, and that's our body's way of slowing us down. But it can become a habit, and then you don't feel your best. And you can restore your polarities so fast. That's why I always travel with a stainless steel spoon, and I keep one in my cosmetic drawer. I use these every day. So to restore polarities, you're going to spoon your feet from the ball of your foot to the heel 2 or 3 times. You're going to do both feet. And then you're going to take the spoon and rub it on your crown chakra. You can do figure 8s, or you can just do circles. And you will most likely feel energy somewhere in your body. I always feel it going through my calves if I needed this. I also want to tell you that if you don't have a spoon handy, you can use your K27s for this. Find the bone here, go down a little and to the side a little, and go in counterclockwise circles. I always think of this as moving away from my heart first. Picture a clock on top of your body, and you'll go counterclockwise 9 times. Then you're going to reverse and go clockwise 9 times. And when you finish that, tap just to make sure you got the job done. So those are fast and easy ways to restore your polarity, and make sure that you're in a battery that is running in the right direction so that you feel your best, because we can't feel grounded and safe and secure when our energies are going in the wrong direction. And we can't connect with our higher power when our energies don't support that. You want to stay hooked up with the sun and the earth so that you feel your best and you have vitality, and this is going to help you do that. A spoon is also super handy to restore the electromagnetic charge in areas of your body when you have pain. If you have pain, try rubbing a stainless steel spoon on that area. I'll tell you why I picked this area in the near future in a post. But this is why I always keep one of these handy. So never travel without a stainless steel spoon, and use it to restore your polarities so you feel your best. I hope this helps you today. It's so important to know and understand, because we can't fix problems that we don't know about and that we don't understand. And simple solutions can cause energetic shifts that fix big problems. I'll see you next time. Bye.